Today it's me, Jill Gamer Channel, and I'm back with a new video. So I'm gonna make this video slime. Wow. So we're gonna make some pink or maybe purple slime today. So we're gonna need my container for the slime and the paint and some water, shaving cream, activator. This is the activator and the glue. Yeah. So first things first, before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Then click the bell to get more notifications of my new videos, and please like my video and comment down below what do you think of my slime. So let's get started. Let's start with the glue. Okay, so just pour a little. I might be down. I think that's too much. Yeah, that's too much. But it's fine. It's Gucci. We're Gucci. So next thing I have to do is to put the color, You need color to shine. Now I'm gonna use this color. This will take forever. Squeeze. Okay, there's a little bit of color dropped in, so I guess we're making a little bit of pink purple for today. And now I'll add some shaving cream. Okay, so let's add some shaving cream. Whoops. That might be too much. Yeah, I think that's too much. Now I'm gonna add. Okay. Oops. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Then a little bit of activator. Okay, that's good. Now let's start to mix, because that's the next thing to do. Just keep it mixing and slime will be done anytime. Okay, this looks a pretty good color. I like it. It's Gucci. I'll just add a little bit more activator. There. Perfect. Ooh, looks like that's fluffy slime. I think I have a very fluffy slime. Oh, I think this is good. It's so fluffy. Now I'll just add a little bit more, and then I'll mix it with my hands. Okay, this is pretty good. It's a nice texture. Yeah, I think I'm ready to mix with my hands. Or I'll just add a little bit more activator. Yeah, now I'm ready. Now I'm ready to mix it with my hands. Ew, this is a little slimy still because it's so much fluff in there. It won't really activate. Okay, so it's a little sticky still, but I know it will be perfect if we add a little bit more. Activator. Okay. Oh, so much stick. It's not really slimy. I should have told it yet. So I'll just keep massaging my slime. I don't know if it is slime already, but hoping for the best. Just gonna get more of these. Good. I'm a little sticky, but it's fine. That's how slime works. I'll just add a little more activator. Okay. Oh, okay. Sticky slime. Ooh, I think it's pretty good. Look, it's like performing its magical thing, which is going to be slime. Looks like it's becoming slime. So excited. Okay, so I need just a little bit more of, just a little bit more activator. And I will be Gooch after I mix this all up. I'll be so Gooch. Okay, so I will be Gucci like that. So just gonna get more out of the container. And I think I have my slime, but it's a little bit more sticky, so I'll add a little bit more activator and a little bit of water too, because I added too much activator. I'm afraid if it over activates. Oh, I think I did it. I think I made this slime. Yeah, I think I'm Gooch. I'm pretty Gooch, I think. A little bit more activator just to make it sure that it's slime. I don't want it to be too sticky, it's too stringy, because I don't like sticky slime. It will make my hand like soggy or something. Okay, add a little bit more water, because water activates the slime too, to make it not sticky. Oh, the spoon. I need to clean it up. Okay, so I'm almost done. Just a little bit more, and I'm done. Look at my beautiful slime. Just take a closer look. I like my slime so much. I love it. Please comment down below if you like my so soft feeling slime. And if you want to get more slime videos uploaded, just comment down below what color of slime do you want me to make next. Because I think this is pretty good, like whitish pink, a little baby pink, but not really seen by the pink. But I love it. So here's the sheet of pink. I love it. It's like baby pink. It's so pretty. And so that's all for today for my video. And please comment down below again, what color of slime do you want me to make? So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like all my videos. And that's all for today. Bye.